To get started, I just added 2 video clips to my timeline that I'd like to insert another clip between. To do this, you want to position your time marker right on the cut where you want to insert your clip. If you're having a hard time getting it on the cut, use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to move between cuts to get it in the exact position. Now simply hover over your video clip in the media bin and click the plus button in the middle of it to insert it at the time marker's position. You can also right-click the video clip in the bin and select Insert. While this works great in between clips, you can also insert clips at the beginning of your timeline by positioning your time marker there and inserting it like before. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.